For applications in harsh environmental conditions, ETA offers the 3120 circuit breaker switch combination with an integrated seal. The new seal is IP65 rated. Even fine dust or water jets will not damage or cause failure to the device or to the equipment where it's used. Compared to standard PVC splash covers, the new ETA accordion-style seal not only protects the actuation area, but also provides front panel sealing for ideal IP protection. Standard PVC covers become yellow when exposed to sunlight. They also become brittle and can crack due to environmental influences. The new silicone seal is insensitive to ozone, ultraviolet light, and most oils and acids. The new seal for ETA's 3120 makes the Rocker-Actuator easily accessible. Switching the device is simple, even when the user is wearing gloves. ETA's 3120 works as an on-off switch, while at the same time providing a most reliable disconnection in the event of an overcurrent. After tripping due to an overcurrent, the user can easily and quickly reset the 3120 to resume operation. ETA's 3120 makes your product more reliable, more cost-effective, and at the same time keeps safety a priority. Please don't hesitate to get in touch.